Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parrying. So let's play normal Sicilian here. Maybe c4. Okay. B3 might be possible here because knight e4. I'm protecting the rook with the c2 knight. Okay. Rook b1, b5, or a4. Maybe a4 to keep it binds, but it does weaken b3. What about just rook b1 here? Is he really going to play b5? Maybe he is. Maybe it does get play. So bishop b2, pointing at his bishop potentially, is protected by my rooks. There are no knight e4 tracks at the moment. Knight d5, just get rid of his dark square bishop. I'm hoping that's handy. Maybe my queen go to a1 later. This can go like this to g4. Does f3 needed? Probably. On bishop f3, I don't know. Let's keep. How do we keep e4? There might be f5, so I think bishop f3 in the light of f5 because maybe it's more useful to take that bishop. And keep hold of the clock situation here. Knight e3, queen d2, queen d2, knight e3, knight g4, potentially for h6. It would take that. Can put the queen here, then put the rook here. Try and get out of b5 with the rook layering at the queen. Oh, okay. I'll try and keep hold of c4 with a knight here. Don't really want to activate his pieces that much. Do the double pawns matter? I'll give him the opportunity of doubling my pawns. I'm hoping it strengthens my centre and is okay overall. That g file might be useful.
Check.
Okay, if I take with the knight, I'll take the pawn. Taking the pawn might be interesting because it actually, I can put a knight to c6 later. I'll take with the pawn. He wants to come here, maybe king h1 on queen d7. Here, g3. Right, if I keep that closed, if I take, he's going to get that d4 square. I can always get the knight like that to c6. So what about just using the g file like mentioned earlier? Try and get ahead on the clock as well here. Okay, is this a problem? I'm hoping it's not. Rook here, knight g4, or rook to g4. No. Yeah, it's just simply going to double there. Can't evict this queen that easily. And there's knight to f5 potentially. Right. Double here. Maybe play for f4 later. I'm just giving them easy access to the whole C file, of course, which might not be that clever. Can I do this? King g2, maybe move the rook here.
Check.
Queen d2 to a5, that's a weakness, that structure, a5. I've seen that in the master game once, Colston I think. Queen d2, right, potentially weakening his king. So knight h7 trying to win my rook. Is there knight f5 here? Knight h7. My rook's kind of stranded. Maybe h4, just hope for the best. If I play queen d2 and h4. Doesn't seem very convincing. Queen d2, there's knight c4 as well, hitting the rook. Okay, queen d2 for a moment. Doesn't really do anything, knight c4 when he moves the rook. It's not looking too clever. Oh man. Ah dear. He's going to play queen f4, rendering knight c4 pathetic as well. So queen f4, and what? Bust this here. There's queen b4, h4, rook h3. Try queen b4. There's no knight c2 at the moment. I mean rook c2, I'm on the c2, it seems. Okay, d6. How does he protect d6? Oh, I'm a minute down as well. Great news. 1 minute 15. Oh man. I've just been mated with that. Oh, I didn't see that one. Can I try and play queen d6 for checks? I don't think it helps. Check. No, queen f4, whatever. Yeah. I've just been mated with check and rook h1.
Check.
Okay. Yep. Alright. Let's have a look. f3's mentioned. It's okay. f5, maybe that's not a big deal. b4, that's another way of playing it. Has an idea of knight d4 though. So okay, so maybe that wasn't such a problem.
Check.
Don't know what else apart from. Okay, he's got the pressure on f3 and e4 and c4. Pieces are quite optimal.
Check.
Have I taken? Oh, there's check.
Check.
Yeah, looks good for black. This looks good anyway. It's going down that c file.
Check.
Okay. Oh well. Yeah. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.